Hi everyone, my name is Kaiser Christopher Odias from BSID 502. In this video, I'll be reviewing the mobile application Smart. Also, I'll be discussing the features, advantages, how to use, and sharing my feedback about the application. So this is the Smart mobile app. So close the ads. So for the first feature, account management. Monitor your account balance, usage, and subscription details. So pindutin natin tong check usage. Makikita agad natin dito yung regular balance natin or load. So meron din silang promo load na na-expire. And makikita rin natin yung huling niload natin dito. For example is Magic Data 599. So yung promo natin is 60 gig kung hindi ako nagkakamali, and no expiry siya. So mabilis na rin tayo dito makapag-refresh or check balance. So mas convenient siya kaysa dun sa *123 pa sa phone. Ida-dial pa natin siya. Tapos sobrang bilis na rin mag-add load dito. So and marami silang payment method, Maya, GCash, or credit or debit card. And meron pa silang mga cashback like in Giga Points. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina ng promo load. Yung 500 mo, pag nagpa-load ka ng 500, ang papasok sa account mo is 555. And yung 55 is consumable lang siya for 30 days. May expire siya. So for the next feature is the bill payment. So pay bill and reload prepaid numbers conveniently. So gaya nga nasabi ko kanina, sobrang bilis na mag-add load. So as long as may lamang yung mga GCash or PayMaya mo, di mo na need pumunta sa mga tindahan para lang magpa-load. So sobrang easy lang ng access niya. Pwede mo rin i-link dito yung Smart Prepaid, Postpaid mo, or yung Smart Bro. So pwede mo rin PLDT, like bill payments. Pwede ka magbayad ng PLDT na wifi nyo dito. And pwede rin siya gumamit ng maraming accounts. So next feature is the data tracking. So check data allocations and promo subscription in real time. So yung hindi kagaya dati is kung ano lang yung mapanood natin sa commercial, ayun lang yung natatandaan nating load. Ngayon is sobrang dali na mamili. For example, itong all data. So andyan na agad lahat ng offers niya. So itong Giga Everyday, Giga Stories, and ang ganda ng UI niya. So direct to the point lang. Next is exclusive offers. So access unique rewards, discount, and special promotions. So for example, dito tayo sa Wais Hacks. So lalabas dito yung mga hot deals ngayon. For example, triple data video plus 75, and triple data stories for 75 pesos. And meron kang makukuhang 1% Giga Points as cashback pag niload mo siya. So pag i-load mo siya, i-click mo lang subscribe. So ito naman yung isa, yung don't miss out. So only data for 7 days and for 30 days. So longer only, TikTok saya. So next feature is customer support. So quickly resolve concerns or contact support through the app. So andito lang siya sa may profile mo. Next is the multi-account management. Easily handle multiple smart accounts from one platform. So for example, i-log out ko to and i-login ko yung isa ko pang number. So basta as long as nakasalpak siya or gumagana siya yung SIM card, mabubuksan mo siya rito as long naka-register siya. So login natin. So ito yung isa ko pang SIM card sa isa kong phone. So ang load lang nito, regular balance is 0.50. May kita mo rin yung points na available. And yung huling sinubscribe din is Magic Data. Kasi yung pinapaload ko is kasi masulit siya. So ito December 2 ko lang siya pinaload and 47 gig pa siya. So pwede ka magpalit-palit na account mo dito kung wala nang storage, yung kahit isa lang muna yung lagyan mo ng app. So balik tayo sa isang account. Next is the advantages. So number 1 is convenience. So manage services anytime, anywhere. So ayun nga, sabi ko kanina, sobrang dali na lang mag-load as long as may laman yung GCash or Maya mo or mga e-wallets. And magkakaroon ka pa, kada load mo pa is magkakaroon ka ng mga points na pwede mo siyang ma-redeem as a load or as a voucher, for example sa McDonald's. So next is the real-time update. So stay informed about account changes instantly. So if may nagta-trade din bumukas nito as na hindi sa'yo is mag-OTP siya as long as inon mo sa kanyang privacy and sa login options. So next is the user-friendly. So intuitive design for a seamless experience. So direct to the point and andyan agad yung mga hinanap mong button, so hindi mo siya hanapin. And pagbukas mo ng app is automatically na siya napupunta dun sa home, kaya sobrang dali na lang. Like sa may mga matatanda rin kasing gumagamit or hirap na sila mag-load, dito makikita agad nila yung mga offers. So for the feedback, the smart mobile app is a lifesaver in today's fast-paced world. It simplifies managing your account, tracking usage, and also paying bills, all from the comfort of your phone. With its user-friendly design and real-time updates, it's an excellent tool for staying on top of your mobile services without hassle. Whether you're at home or on the go, this app makes life much easier and more efficient. Definitely a must-have for smart users.